Okay. Hey y'all, we're at Knott's Farm, and we just went on one of the rides. She was hella fun. Yeah, we went on a hang time. She was really fun. But right,
our pictures was like not.
bro, I'll insert a picture of it when I go to edit.
What the hell? Oh my God, no way.
We're excited. So yeah, the whole family's here. And everybody else, they went on like little rides, but for the little kids, I gotta take a thumbnail already. A thumbnail picture.
Who made that ride?
Go in line.
I have a face that I need to show you. Stop.
Bruh. Right now we're gonna go on Silver Bullet. Look, you see the wedding. Where are they? Oh, they're right here. Oh shit, y'all, we're about to go up. We're about to go on, y'all. I'll have to see. I don't think I will take my phone on the ride because I'm not trying to lose my phone, but
You've been doing it a lot.
I'll probably find a ride that I will go with my phone, so we're about to go on. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, y'all, we just got off the Silver Bullet. It was a lot of fun. We're about to go look at our pictures and see how bad we look. I tried to cover my face or like cover my hair from showing my forehead, but we're gonna have to see from right now. Over here. That was so much fun. We're about to go get food right now because we're hungry. So we're gonna go get Panda. Bro, I was chilling, but I was gonna bring my phone, but I knew that I wasn't gonna be able to hold it if I brought it. So I was like, it's not gonna be worth it. Yeah, we're about to get Panda. I'm super hungry. I'm ready to like I'm so tired, but I'm ready to eat.
Dude, there are so many cheerleaders. I want to say there's so many like this.
There's like a lot. So they just found a chair to sit at. I'm gonna get some food. I low-key wanna get, okay, I think I'm gonna get a plate. Here, let me call my dad really quick. Okay guys, so right now we're trying to figure out what ride we want to go on. Say cheese.
And the guys.
Oh my god, it was so good.
We fucked it up.
Yes, we did, bro. It was so good. Like I finished most of it.
Yeah.
Here, we're gonna watch this one go so we can see it. We're gonna go on it. There's not a lot of screaming. I think we're good.
That's not even bad.
Hey, I don't hear screaming, that's why, you know? Yeah, it doesn't look bad.
It goes up and down.
Do I just want to go on it later?
Sure.
Okay. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna go on right now. But I'm like low-key really excited because we're gonna go on a couple of them. Mira la concha. It's 40 bucks though.
It's a backpack.
Yeah, it's a 40 bucks for a backpack.
Robbing you.
Oh shit, you can't see shit here. Oh my god. I only see computer. Shit. Emergency exit. The lights over there. Wait, where? We're trying to get out. Oh. Fuck, I can't see shit right now. Is this we go through here?
Yeah, right here.
No. ¿Dónde vamos? Oh, por acá. Can't fucking see shit, bro.
that one.
Oh wait, I thought we were gonna go on that one that's right here.
Oh yeah, that one, and then we're gonna go on that one.
Which one? This one? Wait, but
okay.
there's no line.
How was your thing? How was your?
This is closed.
Oh yeah, that one's closed. Yeah, so how was your experience on this ride? Her seatbelt came undone at the beginning, so like.
I can't believe it came off.
I would say something.
Huh?
I would say something.
Say something?
Yeah. Like, hey, the thing came undone mid-ride, and I had to pull it back down.
That's why I grabbed on, like, for over there when we were in the trees. That's when I found out. If I didn't know, I would fall off. And that today would be my day.
Today would be yeah, I would say something. How was y'all's experience on the ride?
It was good. It wasn't even bad. Like, I recommend.
Yeah, I don't know how it came off. I didn't.